Hi, I'm super excited that this painting called You Gave Me the World is going to be published in the Raíz Magazine 2022 issue. It is such an amazing magazine, and the Raíz Magazine crew do some beautiful community workshops. I highly recommend you grab yourself a copy or check out what they're doing in the community around here in the Bay Area. I'll be writing a blog post about how this piece was created. There's lots and lots of layers, and apologies about the lighting. Perhaps you can see there's colours beneath colours all the way around, and that's to reflect the act of creating a beautiful world for the wildlife around here. The birds in the courtyard outside are friends that I treasure, and I wanted to give them a world that wasn't just the fourways and driveways and condos and houses crammed together. As much as I love it here, I imagine what would it be like for them, this brand new world. And the beautiful thing is, as I created this, I realized these birds outside here in my courtyard have already given me the world. The friendships and the relationships that we have with the animals around us and the nature around us, the land that we're on, is such a special gift. And I hope this painting is a memento to help us treasure that gift, that relationship.